baggy man. I been really like, whoa. I was in the club last night, seen a girl with a butt like that. Everybody be like, where you wanna go? Everybody be like, where you wanna go? To the girl, but she hit it all on me. Cause I'm the flyers in the club, that's right. Cause I'm the realest in the city, that's right. Cause I'm the richest in the club, that's right. Do you wanna get down with the dumbest name, man? I didn't even have to ask twice before you knew me. She jumped on the little better way. She jumped on in a better way. I can't forget her name, but I know she's a bad. She is not aware, no, why she got a body like I wanna say, man. She got a body that make me want to go to church. She got a body that make my mama say, oh, that's the right one. You actually know if I'm really that well, like, should I take another step again? If I put my ring on the motherfucking finger, shit. That's what the girl is supposed to say. Maybe she gotta marry me if she's Scottish then. But she got a pretty, but she really got a daddy. The daddy on the body. I do that you booty that you get about it, glad about it, says you want a daddy. But girl, you want to prove what you get is at the down. When she get it, want to prove it, she get it back the down. And she said she never gonna kiss it, but she fucking swallow. But she said you never gonna kiss it, but she fucking swallow. She fucking it down, yeah. But she fucking with it down on the go. I ain't never gotta stay with it, but it was a thing that you better go, babe. Hey, I'm a G, just the OD. You can call them B if they got UDs. But she gonna throw it. Should I get it down with fake? Peach talking like she wanna fake. Peach, what's your motherfucking middle name? Cause your last name's gonna be mine. Cause she brought it down when she get away. Ooh, I'm cold. That's what they tell her say. Put my hands all about cause she got it down what she say. Gotta do what you gotta do to get me up. But got it what I tell her what I say. You do it like she never would it. The bitty up and then I get it, man, and start you with the girl. I'm crazy with the man that I would get her with it. But I would tell you what to touch you what great. I'm really like great, but the girl is really great. We wanna get her, wanna stay you with today. Everybody wanna set me on a day. I feel like I already done it like a beat, I'm ready, but okay, you fuck that free with a mind and it, baby. But you really down for the little girl. Ooh, yeah, you know, Mr. Gray, I'm black, but got you what the girl, what the dog, let it break. Ooh, let it grow.